Hey everybody, welcome back to another TekSupportSpy video. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day and a great week. And again, as always, we appreciate you joining me for another TekSupportSpy video. Today's video is going to be about PC reset. There's a lot of PC reset or Windows PC reset videos out there that's showing you how to do a PC reset. I'm also going to show you how to do a PC reset. We're going to do a PC reset with Windows 11. And if you've ever had issues with Windows where Windows is not working, you've done like a SFC scan now, command and trying to repair Windows because your start menu won't open up. Certain applications within Windows won't open up. You can always do an SFC. If you're not familiar with SFC, I'll end up doing a video for you. And there's thousands of videos out there on YouTube that talks about repairing Windows, and I'll dive deep into SFC and even show you how to read an SFC scan now file. So and if you're just having problems with Windows, you can do a PC reset. Now the PC reset will always be your last resort. If you're still having problems with troubleshooting Windows and trying to fix it, repair it, and trying to do things to get it to work and it just will not work, you're ready to contact Microsoft and tell them that their software sucks, and you're just ready to give up on Windows and maybe go to Apple or go to another operating system. Before you do that, before you get mad and want to go fuss at Microsoft about their operating system, try to do a PC reset. And we're going to show you how to do a PC reset. This video is going to be for those who are non-tech savvy, who have never done the PC reset. A lot of you may know how to do a PC reset. This is going to be for those who do not know how to do a PC reset, and we're going to do it with our Windows 11 virtual machine. And we're going to do a PC reset and keep my files. Now, I do recommend before doing a PC reset to back your files up. If you're not familiar with backing up your data or backing up your files, don't worry. We got a video for you. Let me show you something. Remember Fire Marshal Bill? Everybody used to watch in living color back in like the 90s with Fire Marshal Bill. Let me show you something. I can't even do the mouth how Jim Carrey used to do it. Anyway, we'll do a video showing you how to back your data up. There's a lot of different ways you can back your data up. But before you do a PC reset, back your data up. Let's show you how to do a PC reset in Windows 11. I have no jokes, nothing else to say. Let's just dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys. So let's take a look at what a PC reset is. You're probably wondering, I heard about PC reset. I really don't know what it does. I really don't know how to do it. So again, when I mentioned here in the introduction, if you're having problems with Windows, things aren't working, you've troubleshooted, and things that you've troubleshooted with techniques, you even work with the technician, whoever, and you have no other resort to fall to, and you need to be able to fix Windows, your last resort is just doing a PC reset. And basically what a PC reset does, which I mentioned in the introduction, is to back your data up. You basically are reinstalling Windows. That's basically what it is. I've pulled up a link from Microsoft Support's website, and basically it's saying, hey, give your PC a fresh start. If you need to do a clean installation of Windows because Windows is not working, you can do a fresh restart or a clean install of Windows, and hopefully the reinstallation of Windows will fix any Windows issues you have. You might have had some corrupt files, some files in Windows that just stop working, but either become from an update or some type of software you downloaded. Something has messed up Windows and it just won't work. So a lot of times, yeah, the best resort, if nothing else works, is to just, wipe out that Windows installation and reinstall it. So real quickly, it just talks about, resetting your PC lets you perform a clean installation and update of Windows while keeping your personal data and most Windows settings intact. In some cases, a clean installation may improve your device's performance, security, browsing experience, and battery life. I will show you in this PC reset, or in this video, how to keep your files when we do a PC reset. Me personally, if I'm doing a PC reset, I'm wiping out all my files. I'm backing my data up. and I'm reinstalling Windows as a clean install or remove my files, which you see here shortly. And I'll put my data back up. Now, one thing to know about this is that when you do a PC reset, your programs, your Office, your TurboTax, whatever it may be, that might be gone. When you do a PC reset, even keeping your files, those programs will need to be reinstalled because you're in essence, you're reinstalling Windows from scratch when you do a PC reset. So that's something to remember when you're doing a PC reset. What I have here on my, and using this camera stuff, I don't know which direction I'm going. So I think it's on my left. Let's see. Yes. Windows 10 is on my right. It's on your left, but on my right. It's weird when I'm trying to do content with the cameras and everything, but yes, Windows 10 is on your left and on my right. So, real quickly, and it gives you some navigation on these pages here. Go into Settings, Update, and Security, Recovery, Reset this PC, Get Started. So, real quickly on Windows 10, I do want to show you that. I'm just clicking on the Start menu, going into Settings, and then going into Update and Security. This is Windows 10, by the way. Recovery, and then under PC or reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So this is where you will start to do your PC reset in Windows 10. If you don't believe that this is Windows 10, let's go ahead and right click on the Start menu. Go to System. And you'll see that this is Windows 10 Pro. It's a virtual machine. So I wanted to quickly show you that with Windows 10, but I wanted to show you how to do a PC reset on Windows 11 and keep my files. So let's go ahead and go over to Windows 11. All right, you techies, this is Windows 11. As you can see here, it's in the middle. The Start menu is more towards the center and not like Windows 10 where it's towards the left. Just to show you that this is Windows 11 for the system. Because the virtual machine is on top of my actual operating system, it's a little slow. The resources in here are not like super duper on this laptop, but it's enough to get by. So I have Windows 11 Pro on this virtual machine. So if you look here, right, I got Google Chrome was an application I downloaded. I got a folder here on my desktop called YouTube Testing Video. And if I go into the YouTube Testing Video folder on my desktop, I have a notepad, a text file that should say something here. Let's pull it up and see what it says here. It might say abracadabra. No, it just says, did you see the PC reset? So this file, which I hope that Windows will keep when I do the PC reset, I'll be able to re-access that file again. So we want to do a PC reset with Windows 11 Pro. So with Windows 11, you want to go to Settings. You can just left click. You can right click onto the Start menu. Left click on the Settings. Remember, left click is to select something in Windows. Right click is for options. And the settings are going to come up where I can choose to do a PC reset. So with Windows 11, it's a little bit different. We're going to stick to the right in the settings and look for a recovery option. And here is recovery. And we're going to wait for the recovery option to come up here. And then you can do fix problems without resetting your PC. Resetting can take a while. First, try resolving issues by running troubleshooter. So you can run the Windows troubleshooter. Sometimes it works. In my experience in tech support, it doesn't work 80% of the time, but you can still run it. But in this video here, we want to do a PC reset. So we want to look down here under recovery options, and it says reset this PC. We're going to click reset this PC or reset PC. So remember that. You want to go into settings in Windows 11. So you can right click on the Start menu, go to Settings, left click on Settings, and then look on the right side, scroll down to Recovery, and choose under Reset PC, Reset PC. And this is where you can either choose keep my files, which the data, the files that I have on this computer I want to keep. And again, in my experience, sometimes it's best to do a remove everything and just wipe out the drive and reinstall Windows from scratch. But we don't want to do that. We want to show you what happens when you keep my files. So we're going to choose keep my files. Going to do a little magic here. It's going to do some circles, stars, you know, as if you got knocked out by, you know, Tom and Jerry or something. And here it's going to ask you, you want to do a cloud download or a local reinstall. Now, you can actually reinstall Windows from Windows Cloud servers. That's fine, but I would recommend to just do a local reinstall. Choose the local reinstall to reinstall Windows from your hard drive. So I'm going to choose local reinstall, and then I'm going to choose next. Some more stars, as if you got knocked out by Tom and Jerry. This won't take long, but it's been about 30. Oh, didn't take long, I guess. So this here is going to tell you what's going to go on. It's going to tell you that, hey, ready to reset your PC. Resetting will change settings back to your default. Keep your personal files. I got the YouTube video testing folder. I need to see that once I get done resetting the PC. Remove all apps and programs. I told you, if you do a PC reset, all your apps, your TurboTax, your Office, you're going to need to reinstall those. And I'm going to go ahead and hit reset. And this may take a while. Usually a PC reset may take probably about 30 to 40 minutes. We're going to hang out here and let it do its thing. We'll be right back once it gets done doing the PC reset. All right, guys, so we have gotten done or completing the PC reset, keep my files, and it goes back to the original sign-in. So I'm back at the Windows 11 screen. It should remember your password and your username. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in here. Welcome to Windows 11. All right, hi. Hey, howdy, hola. Anything's ready for you. So the expectation is that once it gets to my desktop, I should still have my YouTube testing video folder with my did you see the PC reset file, the notepad or text file I have in here. So let's give it some time here to finish up some things from my desktop, and we'll come back. All right, it stood my desktop back up from my original personal settings. Obviously, when you do the PC reset and you choose to keep my files, it's going to remember your settings, your personal settings, your password. So I was able to sign in with my password. So yeah, we're back here. Let's see what it says. Removed apps. Let's pull that up. So it kind of talks about what apps were removed. Google Chrome was one of the previous apps that I had. So we don't care about Edge. We don't care about using Edge right now. And let's do start browsing. Let's shut down Edge for now. So if you remember, I had Google Chrome here. And again, as I mentioned, when you do the PC reset and you choose to keep my files, it's going to remember your settings, your data, as far as your files, your PDFs, your Word documents, but your programs, your TurboTax, your Chrome, your Office, unfortunately, you're going to have to reinstall those applications. So a good way to kind of go through before you do a data backup is you can always right-click on the Start menu, go to Apps and Features or Installed Apps, and just look at the list of apps that you like to reinstall once you do the PC reset. So just, write down what apps you got to reinstall so that once you get back to your desktop here, you can start to reinstall those applications. I wanted to check on my file. So here I have my YouTube testing video file or folder. Let's go into it. And you see that my PC reset text file is still there. Did you see the PC reset? So it kept my data. but it did not keep my apps or programs or software. So unfortunately, when you do a PC reset, you have to reinstall that. But Windows is now reinstalled, and whatever issues you had with Windows, it should work now. Your start menu, some of your applications should show up now to work once you reinstall them. And you now have a fresh install of Windows 11, and hopefully that helped fix your issue. Just unfortunately, you got to put back on the applications and programs that you used to use. So this may be a good opportunity for you to do a PC reset if you tried all other, troubleshooting techniques and measures to try to resolve whatever issue that you're having with Windows. If those options do not work, go ahead and do a PC reset and choose keep my files. All your data should be there, but you have to reinstall your program. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this informed you, especially those who are not familiar with doing a PC reset. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Help boost and promote this channel. Share this video with anyone and everyone that may need to learn how to use PC reset. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching Tech Support Spy.